Okay, to sign in, either you can sign in with Google, or you can sign in with, you can put in your email and your password, and you can go into different ones like Minecraft or any of them, and you have to go through each one and make the function, and then you can create your own. You can go to Sprite Lab, Artist, App Lab, Game Lab, and Dance Party. There's more than that, but that's all I can see right now. Go home, all you have to press is, you can press this, and then it just tells you all of the projects and stuff. And if you scroll down, you'll see those again. And then you tap on your name, you can go to your projects, programming, account settings, and you can sign out. Also go to projects right here, and then there's course catalog. And there's grades right here. There's grade K through 5, 6 through 12, and K through 12. Then if you press on create, I'm just gonna view all projects. You scroll down, and then if you press on the little question mark, you can ask for help and support, and you can tell them if you have a problem. If you tap on here, you can, if you are a teacher, you can press on these. And then there's help, more help, and then there's about the code.org, and then if you press on view project ideas, you can see them all again if you have any projects due, and then you can tap on my dashboard. And then there's courses, projects, and new projects, and classroom sections. And then if you go to whichever one you did, whichever one you're working on, and who was working on, I think that's all I have to show you, other than logging in and showing you where to go to get to your projects and your grades. But that's only for the full course catalog. And then you can do a hourofcode.org, and then there's location and stuff. But that's all I have to show you today.